This is a review of the Hunter.Dual 15-piece kitchen knife set with block. I purchased this because I needed a knife set for my apartment that I rent out, and I wanted something that was compact, clean looking, and would add to the features of the kitchen. All of the knives and the scissors fit into the block in what I thought was a standard layout, so easy for me to decide where things go. There are 6 steak knives in the bottom section of the block. The serrated edge runs from the tip to the base on these steak knives, which I really liked. The kitchen shears are located here, and they have a grip section for grabbing things like bottle tops, and a bottle cap opener is here on one of the blades. I really like that the opening on the scissors fit my hands well and didn't pinch me when I use them. If you have large hands like me, this is a very nice feature to have with scissors. The paring knife is the smallest blade in the set, and yet still had a nice size handle to use. Comes in handy when you need to use it for something that needs a smaller blade. The next knife is the utility knife. It's a medium-sized blade. I like how the black handle and the black blade are continuous in color, and it doesn't drop off when going from the handle to the blade. The next knife is the bread knife. You can see the serrated edge here along the knife. I love using this bread knife for like French bread, any type of bread. It just really makes it easier for me to cut it and keep it all together. Definitely a bread knife. The next knife is the chef's knife. It's the largest blade in the set. I love the way it feels in my hand, and the weight is nice. I like using a blade with some weight and a nice balance to it, and this chef knife felt really good holding. The next knife is the Santoku knife. It's a blade I use a lot for cooking, so I was happy to see it in the set. This is my go-to blade. Feels great in my hand, just like the chef's knife. An overall just great blade to have in any set, no matter which one you use. The last knife in the set is the slicing knife. It's another long blade. I like a longer blade for cutting large cuts of beef or like a roasted turkey. Makes the job so much easier for me when I'm using a little bit longer blade. Also included in the set along the back side of the block is a sharpening tool. I really like that it's attached to the block since I'm always looking for things in the kitchen. I think maintaining your blade's edge really makes cooking more enjoyable for me, so having it attached was really nice. I recommend this product if you need a knife set for your apartment or your home. I give it 5 stars for meeting all of my needs of a knife set.